Let's look at some samples of the 100 boxes of hands-on activities that we have. Now, this is one of them. 2D visualization to train visualization skills. Model drawing to solve word problems. We use concrete pads to illustrate concepts of more and less. 3D visualizing for solving problems on volume. Analyzing skills, moving the colored airplanes back to their respective colored airport, meaning the red plane will need to be in the red circle. Number senses, all horizontal and vertical must add up to the sum of 12. Based on the clue given on the right, where to place the red ladybird. eiMaths has a series of workbooks comprising of 8 different levels from 5 to 12 years old, 100% colored. 44 books per year. Join us! Embark on a mathematical journey with us.